It's a great day at Equity. Today we'll be discussing the heart of your home and ways to make you and your home healthier. Starting with your home, make it a cheery space to look at. Natural light exposure and some greenery can help make a space feel cleaner and more positive. Even if you don't have that green thumb, there are plants for beginners that anyone can keep around, such as aloe vera, cacti, and lucky bamboo. Just be sure if you have pets to research the right ones, as some plants are poisonous if dogs or cats ingest them. Another good tip is purifying your indoor air. Choose an indoor air purifier that is right for your space. You can go with smaller standing models that filter the air in a single room, or large units that a contractor can attach to your HVAC system to help purify the air in your entire home. Switching to natural cleaning products can also help you live a healthier lifestyle. Simple products like white vinegar, lemon, and baking soda can replace many harsh chemical cleaners and allow you to save money, the environment, and your health. When it comes to your personal health, make your home a haven from stress. A spot in your home for mindfulness or meditation can help do the trick. Start by choosing a space that feels right. You don't need to have a separate room. An alcove, corner, or even a closet could work. Keep the area free of clutter, as too much clutter in the space tends to be overwhelming and can affect your mental health. Make your space personal and comfortable. Cushions, a comfortable chair, or blankets can be added. Keep a small table for books or meaningful items that help you relax and shift into a mindful state. If meditation isn't your style, this space can hold calming hobbies. Reading, knitting, and drawing are all nice ways to clear your mind and release stress. We hope you take these tips and find a way to make your home and your life healthier and happier. Your well-being starts at home, and you should care for your home like it's a member of the family. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on our post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video is helpful and if you'd like to see more videos on similar topics.